Very happy morning to everyone. A warm welcome to everyone over here. And kudos for joining in this early morning to this very, very special session of Plan to Win Fitness, where we're actually inviting an extremely special person from all of our lives. And I can see new people here, Lakshmi, Keshav, Dhwani. It's lovely to see you. And I can see all our leaders here, Neela, Hamza, super leaders here, Shalaka. Uh, Thank you for being here. And let me just begin by saying that this is extremely special session created for you for literally the first time. It's about sharing the journeys. And as you all know, Plan to Win is, and I like to share about to the new people here, what is Plan to Win? It's a 360-degree program which clears your runway to success. It is a journey for self-actualization. There are different programs like visualization to brush up your technical skills, your productivity in life. We have experts, we have our super leaders, which who groom you, who take your hand. It's structured enough to make sure the habits are set in you. Fitness, as you know, is not just the mind fitness, but it is a holistic fitness, and that is the cornerstone of all of our lives. And today, as one of the as the leadership accountable and fitness accountable for Plan to Win, I am so happy, so pleased to present to you this particular session where we have none other than Darshana Falke, who is our founder, who is the lead mentor, and who is the queen bee of our those super leaders who's thought of all the structures and how we all have co-created it with the Avengers here. The fitness session is also run by Seema with me, and she's unwell. Unfortunately, today she's not. So we are going to miss her, but there are all the other fitness teams are here. I can see. So I would now take on to introduce this wonderful lady who's bringing so much change, so much value to our lives. Do you know Darshana? Yes. So, Darshana, thank you, Darshana, for coming on screen. And this lady is Darshana Falke. For those who do not know, she is an international chemistry coach. She's a mother of a 14-year-old daughter. Her core values she describes as joy, benevolence, universalism, achievements, and freedom. And she has a master's in organic chemistry, bachelor's of education, bachelor's of law, all from the Mumbai University. And friends, she continues to learn and take us along with on this journey of her learning. And she is currently pursuing the senior most program in landmark education, the team management of leadership program in her second year. I have also done the same program. She's married from since 18 years, and her husband is an international travel planner and wealth consultant with an experience of 25 years of coaching in maths and physics, chemistry and biology, subjects for school students. She has coached students for NEET and JEE exams. Many of her students are accomplished doctors, engineers, sportsmen, and successful in various walks of life. She's taught in multiple schools, and the last one being the prestigious school Arya Vidya Mandir, Bandra West in Mumbai. She was running her coaching classes for over a decade in western suburb of Mumbai for the students of CBSE, ICSE, and IGSE boards. She believes that there are two things that are of paramount significance for every human being, that are joy and learning. Wow. She's on a mission to help 1 million students to develop a great bonding with studies and score maximum results with zero stress. That's your speaker, Darshana Falke. And today we are going to witness the dimension of her which makes her resilient and like a goal setter and a go-getter, and how we would love to know, Darshana, what made you open up Plan to Win, and how did you uh, create your own fitness journey of losing 25 kgs post your pregnancy with such grace and ease. Over to you, Darshana. And before that, I would like to quickly do a montage of a little video. Like to ask, that to be put on screen, please.
So welcome, everyone. Thank you so much, Gitanjali, for that wonderful introduction. And yes, so primarily the most important reason why we are here is that what is Plan to Win? Okay, Plan to Win is a platform where we can achieve our goals, whatever it is. So before we begin, let me welcome each one of you personally. So welcome Keshav, and can you rename yourself, guys? So welcome Alice, Dwani, Advika, Rachana, Keshav, Hamza, Lakshmi, iPhone, Nila's iPhone, Rajalakshmi, Rajesh, okay, Shalaka, Rashmi, Shrikar, Siddharth, Sonia, Sonika, Saudima, Vandana, and 2315 Ansh. Okay, so welcome each one of you. If I miss somebody, can you please say hi to me so that I know I missed you? And I'm really overwhelmed by, this whole arrangement that the fitness stream is doing. So Plan to Win is a group which was created under one of my project in Team Management Leadership Program, where we are asking people to tell us what their goals are and give them systematic structure so that they can accomplish their goals. So what I'm going to share with you today is about achieving my goal of 25 kilos. Okay, so born as a person who has been always overweight, it was really a challenge for me to even think of being lighter. Okay, but I had a goal. In fact, not a goal, I had a dream. So I want you to type in the chat, what is your goal? What is your dream? So welcome Shantanu, my very close friend. He's also a participant with me in a Team Management Leadership Program. So welcome. Thank you so much. So can you guys put in the chat, what is your goal that you're looking at? It may not be fitness, okay? Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm a writer, want to write a book.
Yes, wonderful. Thank you, Sonika. And we know that you are the poetess of our family. We are really honored to have wonderful people, jewels in our community. I would want you to also put it in the chat, Sonika, so everybody can see. Sonika, writer, and it gets manifested. Wow, Rajesh wants to be a PhD, do his PhD in law. Siddharth wants to, financial, okay, he wants to be financially free, right? Financial retirement, okay, to be energetic, wonderful, want to be fit. And I'm really missing on our super leader, Seema, who is managing such a huge responsibility along with Gitanjali in being the fitness, mentor. She is our laughter queen. I have requested her, if she's fine, she can come back. Okay, Alice wants to be physically fit, healthy. Okay, Rachna wants to do her home warming. Okay, Advika, my student, she is here from grade 9. She wants to become a good human being. Yes. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to play this video. I mean, so this is just a video of, I don't want to do it, Gitanjali. It's just some video with my photos. I would rather go to the story. I am not feeling.
Got that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So over to you, Darshana. Full on. And
yeah. So Seema. Okay, thank you. So Seema has, been so generous. She's pulled out photos from Facebook and she's made a video out of that. So I'm going to show that to you, but let me tell you, it is not my creation. It is Seema Badaya's love. So I'm going to put that here. So just a second, guys. Tell me if, yeah, perfect. So let me play this video. this is what you get when you're in Plan to Win. This is just a demonstration. All my friends who are in Facebook have already seen this photo. You can actually not see this, it's okay. But I'm showing it because she's taken so much efforts, and all the Plan to Win leaders. So guys, in Plan to Win, we also have a section called as Tech to Win, which is led by Shalaka. Shalaka Super Leader is here. She trains all the ladies to, hands-on to technology. And this is one of the trainings that she has given, and Seema has gone beyond it and created this. Okay, thank you. So this is what she created. She went onto the Facebook, pulled up all the videos. Yeah, Dhwani, you want to develop your energy and you have to be fit. So perfect. So thank you, each one of you, for being here in this journey. This is what was created by Seema. If you see in all my photos, you could see that there's something written. I have this, you can say, real inclination towards education. So on every photo there would be some gyan that I would give. So nowadays I don't believe in gyan, I believe in inspiration. So this is the very first. Okay, Vandana Dusad. Vandana has been instrumental in creating. She's pulled the video photos. Vandana has created it. They have put with some sound. Vandana also gave us some voiceover. So this whole thing also happens in the tech group. Thank you, Shalaka, for giving that credit. So the point is I'm making here is it's all about education. Now I believe that most important is inspiration. Please type in the chat inspiration. You can just type I. So we are looking at network of inspirations, guys. This is what I am beginning to demonstrate, what it will look like when you inspire by your stories. So those who are new, first time, can you type FT in the chat so I know that you're first time? Of course, I know Shantanu, I know Alice, I know Dhwani. Please type first time. Okay, Dhwani is first time. So perfect. Thank you, Shalaka. Thank you, Rajesh, for responding. So we have Advika, Rashmi. Rashmi, thank you so much. You know what? Rashmi has been the first participant to log in at 6:15. So I can really get your excitement, Rashmi. Can you tell us who has invited you here? Okay, so most importantly, this is a program created only to serve you all. Okay, it's a complete voluntary program. Yes, Rashmi.
Good morning, all. It is my sister who gave me this WhatsApp, through WhatsApp, this particular number. So I just wanted to see what's happening. Okay, perfect. So you're in the right place. Thank you so much.
Rashmi, who's your sister? I'm so sorry to ask you.
My sister is Lakshmi in Jamshedpur.
Thank you.
I'm Lakshmi. Hello, good morning, all of you.
Yeah.
She is from Kerala Public School, right, Lakshmi?
Thank you.
Yes, Kerala Public School.
She is a leader of all the teachers, guys. Alice is also an English teacher, very, very acclaimed teacher. A lot of, she's teaching high school and even beyond that. And Lakshmi is fundamental in getting, and Vijayam Karta, ma'am. So many teachers are joining. So we also have a visualization session which happens from 7:30 to 7:45, 7:30 to 7:50 every day. GK, can you manage the participants? They are not mute. So, okay, so quickly, Plan to Win is about achieving your goals. We have visualizations happening every day from 7:30. We have Tech to Win, which happens during the midday. And we also have fitness, which starts at 6:30 in the morning. Okay, so this is all about it. Let me quickly go into my journey. So guys, this is what you can see Darshana here. And I'm going to show you how Darshana was when she started her journey. Most of you know me, of course, but you may not know this aspect of me. So let me present that to you. Just a minute. Okay, perfect. So let me pull out that. We are here. It's a very, very basic presentation created. So, okay. So my weight loss journey, wrong. My fat loss journey. So girls, whoever, girls and boys, if you're looking at losing weight, you're in the wrong place. Do not focus on losing weight. Develop the habit of using the word fat loss. Type fat loss. We want to lose the fat. And why? Not because fat is bad, because when you use fat as a source of energy, you are on a rocket fuel. It's like you are choosing rocket fuel over petrol. So which is going to be efficient? The fat. Burn the fat, and you can actually also do a lot of service to a lot of your organs. So this is happening in two parts, guys. Today I'm just overall telling you my fitness journey. After a month or so, I will come back and tell you the technical aspect of what did I do. But don't worry, this is going to be enough for you to set you up to take some action. Okay, this was a book which was lying next to my shelf all the time, From Fat to Fit. Okay, so I was like that lady, and there was some Darshana hidden inside who wanted to come out of that. Okay, I wanted to come out of this. So this was lying next to my, maybe like 20 years, 25 years से ये मेरे side में पड़ा हुआ था. This was Darshana when she delivered this little girl Tara. Okay, this is me. Right? So this is about 14 years back when my daughter was born. We were on a trip to Malaysia. She was like 1 year, and that was my first trip. And before this, guys, this was after some weight loss. तो इसके पहले के photos मैंने कहीं पे गायब कर दिए. But now I want to embrace them. You see, dejecting yourself, you don't get anything. You accept. So I want to really embrace that Darshana now. Okay, that is what has happened in team management leadership program also. पहले मैं इससे शर्माती थी, डरती थी, disown कर रही थी. I embrace her now. इसके पहले तो और भी मेरा, after my delivery, when I thought of losing weight, I was already 88. Okay, and I was in the delivery, I was 93. Immediately when I started 88. Now I am somewhere around 68, but I had gone down to 63, So this is me and my husband, same trip, Malaysia. We are at Genting Island. You can see this is the Darshana. Okay, cool. Then I started looking at the weight loss. My husband was already becoming fitter. Okay, because bacha aa gaya biwi ke paas le le. He was doing his fitness, but we both started, and this was like 2 years later. Okay. So this is me and my husband. After 1 year, when my daughter was 2 years old, we became like this. Okay, both of us. And now we are like this. Okay, this is now like in April 2021. This is a photo taken of me and my husband. Okay, so guys, show us some love. So let us go back to this. So Darshana was like this with her daughter. Today we have this is the story. Okay, that now we have gone back into this. Not only that, delivery or not working out, or the passive lifestyle not only works on your body, guys, it also works on your skin. Can you look at that? Okay, so the face that you're looking in the camera may not be that bright, but much brighter than what you see in the screen. Okay, this is what it was when I was looking at weight loss. Imagine, now I want to hold that. Imagine what the Darshana would be going through. Okay, born as a lady who has been all the time bullied and called names because I was born as a big baby. I was already always looking older, elder. When I was 16, I would look 23, and somehow I managed to lose weight just before my delivery, and again I gained weight. Not only that, I had huge pigmentation all over my face. I had pigmentation on my neck. My whole neck had become black. And I was worried. I was really, really worried. But I was hopeful. I was happy. Okay. And this is what happened. So please type, everything is possible. Everything. While I'm looking at this Darshana, I really feel so much love for her. Last year, few months back, I completely despised this person. So I'm going to allow you to ask questions. Balbir ji, I understand you want to share something. I really, really want you to do that through the chat. Really, really want you to do that because I want to take as many questions. तुम्हारे दिमाग में कुछ भी होगा. From this to this, guys, has happened only due to one thing. Okay, I wanted to give you that quote at the end, but I want to give it to you now. You don't get what you want, guys. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe. Yes, you don't get what you want. I want you to type there. You don't get what you want. You get what you believe. And Darshana here, before she went into this journey, guys, she already had lost weight. So before doctor could tell me कि तुझे वजन कम करना है, मैंने डिलीवरी के पहले ही I was not conceiving, मैंने already 20 किलो 10-15 किलो कम कर दिए थे. But delivery got me into this one more time. But मैंने believe किया था कि मैं अपने आप को फिर से reclaim करूंगी. Thank you so much, so much, so much. So this is me, my husband and my daughter in the Malaysia trip. This is after 2 years or 3 years, I think, after 3 years. This is the family. So from here to here, okay, network of inspirations. Jab Darshana became fitter, everybody in the family became fitter. I used a diet plan. I went to Godrej Hospital to take a diet plan. I lost 25 kilos also using the diet plan. I'll be talking about the diet segment later on as a second segment when I talk to you about it. Believe me, वो plan पूरी family ने use किया है. 150 rupees is what I gave to the plan. She took 1 hour of my time 14 years back. On the diet plan, me, my husband, my brother-in-law, all of us lost weight. This is what we looked after two years. So this is 1 year later, my delivery, my daughter was 1 year. Here she is 3 years. And this is what we look today. Okay. This was 21st June on my birthday, 2021. Okay. So guys, this is what I want you to say, that I am grateful. I am grateful because I have the surroundings, okay, which empower me to take action. So what did I do? I ran. It is difficult for me, but I ran. I lifted weights. And I lifted weights, and I did cross training, and I lifted weights, and I lifted weights, and I lifted weights. Today, I am this because I have been lifting weights. I am not doing this at 1 day, 2 days, 10 days. I have been doing this from last 14 years. 14 years, guys, 14 years. I drank a lot of water. I drink lots of water. Then again, I lift weights. Okay, so this is one of the competition that I was in. Yes. When we honor ourselves, we honor other. So first, foremost, honor yourself. Yeah, I work out every single day. It's like breathing. Ziddi hu main. I'm not that kind of ziddi, but in workout, yes, I am ziddi. Stop chasing the wrong things. Okay? Stop chasing the wrong food, wrong people, wrong self-talk. Wrong, please write this. Wrong food, wrong people, wrong self-talk. Stop chasing it. Stop chasing it. Enjoy everything that you do. Everything. Demonstrate what you want to see in the others. Do it. It's not about being strong. It's not about being strong only. It's about being flexible. So Darshana, she's now 45 years old. Her birthday is celebrated on 21st of June. Has zero flexibility, guys. Zero flexibility. Zero. Okay. So taking it on 2022, when Darshana will turn 46, she will be more flexible and also strong. Okay, so that this particular tree, this is broken down and fallen down because it was strong but not flexible. Yes, perfect. And most importantly, guys, a parting note, I mean, from the story is all the physical pain that you have right now. Girls, how many of you have physical pain? Boys, how many of you have physical pain? Type me. Type me. Type me. I'm going to give you one mantra just now. Yes, physical pain. All the physical pain, all the discomfort, all the diseases come from an emotional hurt. It's from an emotional hurt. There is something that you're guilty about. There's something that you're resenting. I was resenting weight. I was resenting it. And it was giving me pain. I would get injured. I would get pain when I'm working out. Heal your soul, guys. Heal your soul. And plan to win, visualization, community. As a community, we have buddies. We will give you this support as well. Be happy and you will lose weight. Most importantly, educate. Don't put yourself, yes, Sonika, don't put yourself into training because Darshana is lifting weights, I lift weight. No, I have been training Hamza for 14 years. I have been training with a trainer for 10 years. I wasn't financially that great that I could afford a trainer because I was on a sabbatical for a long time. You know, trainers now take 10,000 per month, but still I was following. I mean, I wasn't paying that much, but whatever I could find, I always trained with a trainer until 4 years later, because 10 years I trained with the trainers. I keep looking, educating myself every single day before I go to the workout. 10 to 15 minutes of watching videos, reading about particular form, what is the posture, what do I do when I lift weights. So please type educate. Nobody in this whole family goes into doing something that crazy. Okay, everybody, whatever is your age, whatever is your weight, whatever you're doing, first remember that you're responsible for your body. So meanwhile, I'm going to wind up in the story, but I want you to ask questions. Okay, keep the questions ready, keep it crisp, and everything will go into the chat. So Mohit, okay, fitpreneur Mohit, it's like I keep on meeting people who are fit. I don't know, this is what has happened. So guys, get into fitness, you will get your surroundings which is fitter. Educate, nutrition करना है, educate, workout करना है, educate. अब मैं yoga कर रही हूँ, I'm educating, I'm not putting myself into yoga, I'm not doing 101 Surya Namaskar. Please go on mute, everybody who is not on mute. Requesting to you go on mute. It's a very important segment. कोई भी चीज करते हो तुरंत उसमें कूदना नहीं है. तुम्हारी बॉडी है, कुछ हो जाएगा तुमको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. Your family is going to suffer, your work is going to suffer. My trainer, even if he's my personal trainer, he will say, man, you can do it. I said, sir, excuse me. My body, I have a small baby at home, I have to cook, I have to go and teach students. I will do only this much. With due respect, I will do only this much. Listen to your body. Respect pain. Type there, respect pain. When your body is paining, it is telling you, don't do this. Please don't do this. And what do? No, I'm going to overcome the pain. Now, respect pain. Very good. Wherever it is, it's a hurt that you have, respect it. Thank you so much. You respect your body will respect you back. और एक last चीज बताऊंगी in the story, then I will take questions. That जब तक मैं weight watch कर रही थी, that was happening till 2020 in the beginning. Weight watch कर रही थी, मेरा weight हिल ही नहीं रहा था. Of course, I was 72. I wanted to go below 70. जैसे GK wants to go 60.4. So I want to like see that 69.9 तो दिखे यार, 69.9. 72, 73, 72, 73. So this is when I was like 72. Not bad, yeah. I was looking pretty cool. मगर वो अपना होता है ना, नहीं मुझे 70 नहीं चाहिए, मुझे 69 चाहिए. तब तक मेरा वेट ही नहीं हिल रहा था. मैं एक दिन डिक्लेयर किया, अब ना मैं वेट को देखूंगी नहीं, मैं अपने प्रैक्टिस को देखूंगी, अपने रूटीन को देखूंगी. प्लीज टाइप रूटीन. डोंट वर्क फॉर द आउटकम. और ये सब आपको दिख रहे हैं ना सारे ये कोटेशंस जो दर्शना लाइफ का सबसे पहला कोटेशन मैंने लिखा था 4 साल पहले. वो क्या था पता है? डोंट स्टडी टू गेट मार्क्स. ओके, जस्ट स्टडी ऑनेस्टली, मार्क्स विल फॉलो. डोंट वर्क आउट टू बिकम फिट. Just work out and fitness will follow. This is what was my very first quote. When I got my MacBook, I wanted to start writing. I was zero in English literature language. मेरा बहुत बुरा हालत था. Okay, so once again, don't study to get marks. Don't learn to get an outcome. Just learn, and the marks and the outcome will follow. Don't work out to become some way. Just work out. Be honest in the training. Fitness will follow. And my entire coaching, guys, chemistry, math, whatever coaching I'm doing now, international coaching, is don't learn for marks. Just learn. And the marks will follow. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Now, I would want you to give me questions. I mean, and I think most of the questions मैंने अपने story में बता दिए हैं. So still, if there are any questions, please ask me.
Yeah, I would like Hamza to unmute and or I can read out the question. Hamza has already written a question, and he says,
yeah,
just a second. Did you face issues of consistency, like doing something for 7 days, then getting stopped for 10 days, and then pushing yourselves to start again and then break down? That's what Hamza says. I think all of us.
Absolutely. एब्सोल्युटली ये होता है. लीव अलोन दैट, मेरे पास सब लोगों के पास ब्रेकडाउन होगा हमजा. मेरा एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रेकडाउन है, 5 बजे उठ नहीं पा रही हूँ. Now, the thing is that, one thing is that if you don't like something, yeah, so Shalaka, keto diet is also coming in the way, but definitely I can take that question. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the questions. That's your region. So Hamza, क्या होता है ना, क्यों कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं आती? क्योंकि यू डोंट लाइक अ पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ वर्कआउट. इसलिए मैंने बताया कि मैं भागी भी, मैंने वेट भी उठाया, फिर मैंने डांस भी किया. इनफैक्ट जब मैं 88 थी तो दरवाजा बंद करके सिर्फ डांस कर रही थी. माई डॉटर वॉज लाइक 6 months. I was not going out and working out, but I was only dancing. It was because I loved it. Okay, definitely. Also, when we are dancing, look at that. You are not straining your knee. Okay, क्योंकि इतना भारी भरकम वजन लेके डांस करेंगे तो वेट हो सकता है. So you can choose to walk in water, swim. So do anything and try multitude of things. Okay, in the beginning, Hamza. So consistency is also not to be कि consistent होना है करके कुछ मत करो. Just आज मैं करूंगा और क्या करूंगा जो मुझे पसंद है आज. जस्ट फॉर टुडे. हमजा आज के दिन कर यार, कल सो जाना. आज के दिन कर. हाँ, और एक चीज हमजा, और एक चीज, जब लोगों को ना टाइम प्रॉब्लम आता है इसलिए कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं होती है. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट कि यार मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, मैं क्या करूं. सो टाइम के लिए मैं आजकल जिम जाती हूँ 15 मिनट, सिर्फ लोगों को देखती हूँ अच्छा और आ जाती हूँ. तो उससे क्या होता है ना, आई एम इन दैट जोन. Okay, nowadays I'm like working 16 hours, 17 hours a day. I don't get time to work out. So because मैंने इतने साल से वर्कआउट किया है, मैं जाती हूँ फटाफट बर्पीज कर देती हूँ. बर्पीज is you do a high intensity workout. 5 minutes burpees is enough. 5 minutes में 50 बर्पीज करो 30 महीने के लिए, you'll be sorted. Hamza, 30 days burpee challenge is a video, but I will tell only those people who are good with their knees. Do it, otherwise don't try. There's a push-up, there is a jump, all of that. Okay, I would do that 30 burpees for 50 days and I actually shook a lot of weight. Okay, yes. So did I answer your question, Hamza? You can tell me on the chat itself. Yeah, perfect. So when you're stressed about the work, put some cool music. हाँ, हमजा ने बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन पूछा है. अच्छे कपड़े खरीदो, बट कपड़े मतलब ऐसे महंगे वाले नहीं. कोई कलरफुल एक बैंड भी हो गया, some nice bottle, yes, some bottle of water, some nice lemon, if you like lemon tea or something, not sweet again, not sweet, but something like that will pep you up. Hamza, stressed होना, कोई बढ़िया सा गाना, कोई अच्छा सा accessory, कोई cool सा friend, yeah, try to put something like that in equation to something that you want to break out through. I hope I have answered your question. Something that will pep you up. और आजकल मुझे भी काम में बहुत थक जाती हूँ. Don't believe. अब मैं थोड़ा सा जंपिंग जैक करके आई हूँ, तो can you see my face is like little bit pepped up? क्योंकि I have to talk about fitness. उस दिन मेरा work USA के लिए session था 8:30 in the evening. I went to the gym at 7:55. I came out of the gym at 8:15. 7:55 to 8:15 फटाफट cross training किया. My session, I was looking so different on the screen. Believe me. 10 minutes is also good, Hamza. Perfect. Thank you. Next question.
So, Darshana, Neela is asking you to share your diet, and Shalaka wants to elaborate on keto.
Okay, cool. Shalaka, yeah. I love you, Shalaka. Shalaka is a super duper coachable girl. So कीटो डाइट में क्या है गाइस, अभी ना मैंने वेट लूज किया है 2020 में बिगिनिंग में, मतलब पैंडेमिक के पहले ही. आई टोल्ड यू ना, आई स्टॉप्ड लुकिंग एट द वेट एंड ऑटोमेटिकली वेट केम टू 69.9, देन इट बिकेम 68, देन इट हैड कम डाउन टू 63. आई वाजंट लुकिंग ग्रेट इन 63. देन आई एम लाइक, आई वाज ऑन वेट गेन. आई वाज ईटिंग एवरीथिंग, बट दैट्स नॉट गुड बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ओनली द फेस एंड नॉट ओनली द हेयर एंड नॉट ओनली व्हाट आई लुक, व्हाट इज इंटरनली हैपनिंग. मेरे पैंक्रियास, क्योंकि मैं तो 100 साल जीऊंगी अगर, तो कैसे वाले पैंक्रियास के साथ जीऊंगी, कैसे वाले आंखों के साथ जीऊंगी, कैसे वाले इंटेस्टाइन के साथ जीऊंगी, हार्ट लंग्स कैसा होगा. Yeah, so if I'm going to be living, or all of us want to live till 100, we want to be playing a ball with our grandchildren. So keto diet इसके लिए है. कीटो डाइट चलाकर आज अभी तो आप देखो, अरे तुझे क्या करना है, तू क्यों डाइट करे भाई. मुझे जब तक जीऊंगी तब तक मुझे एकदम इंटरनली भी फिट रहना है. तो keto is about not taking carbs. I will not tell you to be radical, but you can actually reduce कार्ब मतलब एनी काइंड ऑफ ग्रेन, नॉट इवन ओट्स. रिड्यूस कार्ब, अगर आप 2 रोटी खा रहे थे तो आप आधी एक खाइए, एक. Second thing is keto also talks about eating good fat. Good fat is like, you know, farm raised cow का butter या pure घी, देसी घी. आप जितना मर्जी खा सकते हो, जितना मतलब only thing you should be eating fat and protein, okay, and less of carbs. This much is good for you. जब भी आप चूज कर, जब पता है आज मैं आजकल क्या करने लगी हूँ जी के, आई वांट टू रियली शेयर विथ यू. आजकल ना मैं, आपको पता है कोतमीर की वड़ी होती है, कोतमीर वड़ी बोलते हैं ना, we put कोतमीर, coriander, which is lot of greens are good for your body. You putting the, you know, all the pulses in it. So I don't only put, not only put besan, but I put moong, I put वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, horse gram नहीं, उसको कुलित, कुलित कहते हैं, पता है कुलित, व्हाट्स द वर्ड?
वेरी वेरी
कुलित होता है, दैट सुपर फूड. कुलित डाल देती हूँ उसके अंदर पपाया, बनाना, रॉ बनाना सब डाल के ना उसको बेक करती हूँ और उसको अच्छे से मजे से फ्राई करके खाती हूँ. बिकॉज कीटो में वी कैन हैव प्रोटीन एंड फैट, यू नो. सो आई एम मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ दीज वडीज. आई कैन पुट ऑल काइंड ऑफ ग्रीन वेजीज इन. इट्स यम. We eat ginger and garlic, so put lot of ginger, put lots of these herbs which are good, put sesame in it. So ऐसा कुछ हैक करो कि मजा भी आना चाहिए खाने में. और जैसे आई एम आंसरिंग द कीटो डाइट ओनली, ओके. तो उससे क्या होता है, आप ग्रेन्स कम खा रहे हो, ठीक है ना. मैंने उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा चावल का आटा डाल दिया. इट्स अ मील इन बाय इटसेल्फ. इफ यू आर अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन, एग इज अ फैंटास्टिक मील. बट आई हैव गॉट Mohit Jain especially in this program because Mohit is a Jain, you know. He has built up his body by doing vegetarian diet, okay. So keto के लिए once again grains कम करिए, sugar zero, शुगर बिल्कुल मत खाइए. किसके लिए डिफिकल्ट है, प्लीज पुट इन द chat I. It is difficult for you to leave sugar. I'm going to conclude in 2 minutes, guys. Yes, and don't worry, Darshana is going to show up again, ask questions in the leaders group, yeah. And I'm inviting the people who are not in our group to join us from 1st of August. We are going to start a new segment. Every month we have a program. So get in touch with me, get in touch Reshma. Gitanjali, can you put a contact number where she can get in touch? Yeah. Rashmi, yeah. Difficult to give up fried items. Absolutely, get that. So now you can eat fried items. Alice, you can have you know, the worries and try them, okay. Now difficult to stop eating sugar. So those who cannot eat sugar, I tried stevia. Stevia is horrible. So I don't want to go to stevia, though it is a natural form of a sugar substitute. I would want to do something like, which is good, you know, jaggery or honey.
Yes, the way we had stopped eating sugar is to substitute it with jaggery and make it less.
Yeah, तो आप बोलोगे मगर कीटो के हिसाब से ये भी wrong है, ये wrong है. But I told you it's my journey and it's working fantastic for me. I could get pure honey and honey works for me. I mean, I have been not working out 2020 से अभी तक कोई खास वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है. Still I'm maintaining the weight only because of my diet. Okay, so honey you can have, jaggery you can have. Guys, that is poison. मेरी बेटी कभी कभी बोलती है मम्मा दलिया बना रही, शुगर वाला बना. तो मैं बोलती हूँ बेटा आपको जहर दूं, ये जहर है. कंसिडर इट एज पॉइजन. जब भी शुगर का डब्बा दिखता है जहर, उसके बाद जहर लिख दो. It will not be an exaggeration if you write zahar on it. White sugar, white salt, write poison on it. Write poison. Eat pink salt, which is Himalayan salt. Okay, which is expensive, 1 kilo for 100 rupees. So you're going to use it for a month. Of course, so it's not expensive. So avoid sugar, have jaggery, have sweet. I have really a sweet tooth. मैं काफी मीठा खाती हूँ. So I can, you have raisins, dates वो भी कम खाइए, but you can have that, okay. But that's one thing. Leave sugar, leave grains. If you cannot leave it, make it less. शुगर को लेस नहीं कर सकते, शुगर को निकाल ही दो, घर से फेंक दो. मैं पूरे साल में एक किलो शुगर पूरे साल में खाती हूँ, क्योंकि कुछ चीज में शुगर जाती है ना, 1 किलो. Okay. That's okay, Hamza. And as you said, हम लोग वर्कआउट करते हैं, प्रॉपर माइंडसेट के साथ लोगों के साथ रहते हैं. हाँ, I consume a lot of YouTube, okay, a lot of YouTube, fitness YouTube I consume. Okay, कीटो के बारे में इतना देखती हूँ. मैंने जब कीटो शुरू किया 2020 जून में शुरू किया है, उसके पहले 3 महीने तो एजुकेट करे थे कीटो पे. भाई मेरी बॉडी, I consider myself as a celebrity. Please type I am a celebrity, IAC. Type IAC. I am a celebrity. Consider you are a celebrity. Cook for yourself like a celebrity. Okay. Think and walk and talk like a celebrity. Okay. It's not necessary you are an actor. I am an international coach, man. I'm a celebrity. Perfect. So everybody who is a celebrity will treat them like one. Okay. So GK, we will have to stop here. And there are questions. We are going to reply to them. Okay. We can look at the chat. So guys, anybody a takeaway for 1 minute? I want Balbirji to unmute and speak. And anybody who wants to give the takeaway, share the takeaway in the chat and also raise hand. We can take 3 shares. Yes, Balbirji, 20 seconds. Okay, Rajalakshmi, Balbirji, jab tak available hote. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a highly inspirational talk, Darshana. There is more than one takeaway. One is self-acceptance, self-love, fitness. So many. इतना takeaways है कि एक session में या 1 minute में share करना भी मुश्किल है. These are few takeaways. You can set a goal, you can achieve what you believe, you can make it happen, not what you want. So many things.
Thank you. And Rajalakshmi, coming this from a doctor. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Reena, your takeaway, please.
Yeah, I was like blown with your, the whole thing. I mean, this is truly something that everyone need to educate themselves with. You need to know your body, and these are my takeaways. You need to know your body. You need to listen to your body. You need to, worship your body.
Thank you.
Rather than just laying it back and letting it be. ठीक है, हम जैसे हैं ठीक है. But I think that was the great one that you gave away. I mean, I really, really respect you for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Siddharth, real quick, 20 seconds. He's also my buddy in team management leadership program. Yes, Siddharth, over to you.
I got कि 10 मिनट का exercise भी sufficient रहता है, and we can do multiple different exercise. And उसमें थोड़ा सा मजा आता है, मतलब अलग अलग चीज करेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely. Beautiful. Yes, Shalaka.
Darshana, you are a complete inspiration for me. What I learned? My takeaway is your body image you can change. It's just a mindset. Thank you.
So you are not very much audible to me. I don't know about others, but your golden words, I don't want to miss. Can you please type that up for me in the chat?
Darshana, I said that, body image is very important, and positive body image I have learned from you. You are an inspiration.
Perfect. Thank you. Always consider an invisible crown. Maybe if low feel करते हैं वो crown है ना. It's an invisible God given crown. So can we conclude? We are at 7:17. I'm sorry we extended 2 minutes.
Yes, I think we don't have space for more questions, guys. You can post in the group and or contact Darshana personally. And Darshana, I'd like to personally thank you from all of us at Plan to Win and our beautiful guests who have joined us today. And we are hoping that they will join us on the journey in the next month, 30 days of Plan to Win. I'd really like to thank my super leaders, Arun, and my buddy Arun for productivity sessions, taking Vikas for the wonderful core of visualization session, Shalaka for her tech wizardry, and all the support she has done from day one to all of our fitness sessions and trainings. I would like to thank Uma for making the buddy system so strong. And I would like to thank Seema, my fitness buddy, and she started the group, and I completely jumped on. And Rajesh for being the structure, being responsible for the stats and structure of the group. This is our super duper super leader body training all our wonderful leaders for this version of Plan to Win 4th. This is the 4th month, guys. So you see, practice makes perfect. You have to build your muscles, not only in your muscle, but in your habits. So if you're keen to know more, you must look at joining the next group, which is just going to come up. I like to thank my fitness teams, Ranju, Neela, who have been so regular from day one and handling and attending before us. They are joining. Balbir, from day one, he's been there. I would like to thank Sonika, Nazar, Yachna, who has even taken sessions here. I would like to thank all the fitness people who are attending so regularly. Reena, so many of them I'm missing. And also experts like Mohit, who on one request, Amanpreet, and Tina, who created these special Saturday. And Darshana, most of all, a real love and heartfelt thanks from all of us goes out to you, like jump करके ऐसे जैसे मतलब उसका कोई सीमा नहीं है अभी, जिस जो प्यार उमड़ रहा है
वो सीमा भी नहीं है और हमारी सीमा भी नहीं है,
और जिसके लिए हमें फिटनेस मतलब मेरी लाइफ में भी फिटनेस और कंसिस्टेंसी लेके आना, मतलब इफ आई एम सेइंग 60.4, I looked at the scale today and believe you me, the scale is showing 60.4 today, weekend. So, you know, this kind of confidence on your own fitness, thank you for giving us that. So, I won't take more time.
Just 1 second, Gitanjali, that you reminded me. ये बहुत जरूरी चीज मुझे बतानी है, guys.
It's over and about time. Joining. Yes.
Okay, one last thing I want to say, guys. जो भी आपको weight चाहिए ना, खुशी खुशी में आप बोलिए.
Hello.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Sorry, am I out of network?
Keep sharing the love. Keep sharing, as Darshana said it. Educate. Yeah, Darshana.
Yeah. Sorry, but can you hear me, guys? I wanted to just say last one thing, guys. Everybody who wants to lose weight, do you want a mantra? जादू का मंत्र चाहिए आपको?
Yeah, tell us.
Yes. जो भी वेट चाहिए ना, ये बोलना, इससे मुझे बहुत फर्क पड़ा है. I wanted to become 69.9, right? तो मैं ऐसे बोलती थी क्योंकि I wanted to see the 69.9. So write it down. I am healthy, wealthy, fit and fine. ये सब लोग बोलेंगे, okay? जिनको वेट लूज करना है, मगर फैट लॉस करना है हमको, but it's okay. I am healthy, wealthy, fit and fine. My weight is 69.9. आप अपना वेट डालिए. My weight is, ऐसे मैं बोल रही थी 69.9. Okay, and I also believe in number 9, so I wanted to do 69.9. So ऐसे I'm healthy, और वो पूरा ही मजे से एकदम, you know, I'm healthy, wealthy, fit and fine. My weight is 69.9. मैं healthy, wealthy, fit and fine. My weight is 69.9. ऐसे मजे से बोलिए. अगर आपको नहीं जो चाहिए आपको वेट, जो चाहिए वो बोलना है. फिर बाद में मैंने सोचा नहीं 69.9 नहीं, अभी मुझे 66.6 चाहिए, तो मैं बोल रही थी आई एम हेल्दी, वेल्दी, हैप्पी, फिट, माय वेट इज 66.6. और ना ब्रश करते करते आई एम हेल्दी, वेल्दी, हैप्पी, फिट, माय वेट तो खाना बनाते आई एम हेल्दी, वेल्दी, हैप्पी, फिट, माय वेट इज 66.6. whatever your weight, make it rhyming. And also when you're healthy, so this is a future weight that you will say, future weight जो आपको चाहिए, you already manifested. और हेल्दी हो, खुश हो, यू नो, वेल्दी भी हो, जो डालना है आप डाल सकते हो. So this is the final takeaway. So Alice, I'm healthy, wealthy, fit and fine. My weight is 60, and Alice is a tall girl, so you know you can say 72.9. You would look good in 69.9 also. I don't look good in 66. I look good in 69. So like I'm like 69 now. You know, 69.9. Yeah, so perfect. So everybody is going to take this mantra, guys. Write it one more time. Everybody. Abhi likho, Alice. If you write it, you're going to achieve it. Okay, so write it now. I'm going to bless it. Like, okay, I'm giving you all. Sorry, we are exceeding this time. GK, we wanted to go for a super leaders call. Yes, somebody wanted to say. Yeah. iPhone. I want iPhone to unmute and speak. Can you unmute, please? So I want iPhone to unmute and speak.
Okay, this is going to be the last, as you know, we have extended our time. So this is going to be the last question, after which we'll wind up.
There is a sharing. Okay, guys, so I think no sharing. Maybe, okay, we can conclude this. Thank you so much. This is the takeaway, finally.
Are you getting me?
Yes, I can hear you, Rajesh. So we have a super leaders call, guys. We got to end the meeting. Thank you so much, Gitanjali. Let's get into the call.
Darshana, before you going on the station call, Arun, Vikas, Shalaka completed. Seema also completed. And
I
am there. Mine is pending. Yeah.
Started.
Darshana.